Hello fellow traders. I just wanted to give you some idea of how this trader that I've created works. I really haven't begun marketing it because, to be truthful, I only created it originally for my own use, but it has turned out to be such a fine product that I thought many would also enjoy using it. The idea is that the trader would work when I cannot, and especially catch those special times when a great buy or sell can be made while I actually have a life. So what we're looking at here are two different computers, two different computer screens. Over here is the ProBit console on the right. I've got a laptop in the way here that I wanted to show you later, but this ProBit console is what I use to do the actual trading. And then on the left side is the actual trading bot that I created. So the trader starts up and defaults to XRP. You can change the currency you're working with. You can do Bitcoin or whatever. I can change it to CNS. Click update. It'll populate all the prices and everything that it can start out with. We'll put that one to the side. We can have as many of these up as you want to have. If you want to trade more than one currency at a time. So what we have when it first comes up, if you click update, it populates the current price and how much you have on hand, as well as how much cash or USDT you have on hand to trade with. Now, in the course of trading, you probably never want to trade away all of your crypto that you have, so you want to set a reserve amount. That's what's down here at the bottom. I set it at 200 so that I don't sell all of my XRP, which are getting down low because, as you can see, XRP has been rising a lot this morning. So it's been automatically selling a good bit. So I don't want to sell any more than 200. I want to keep that in case it just goes crazy and goes all the way up to $1 or something. So we haven't made any buys yet. So figuring an average is not possible until it actually starts. The idea of the average buy is so it'll never sell crypto below what you paid for it, averaging out over all your buys. When it calculates the sell price, it takes the average buy and adds the percentage designated. And starting out, the average will of course be the same as the current price until it can average your different buys. So these different colored buttons are actions you can take to start trading and stop trading. It's a toggle to turn on that automatic trading. Clear clears out any orders for this particular currency that might be up. The buy and sell or manual clicks to put up an order manually. Quit closes the program out, and update is obvious. Now the next row is where you specify the percentage of how much of your crypto you want to sell per order. So when the price goes up and reaches the sale price specified below, the ProBit console will sell this much. Same with the buy on the next row. This quantity is affected by the trend adjustment below it. And if the trend is neutral, there will be no change, which is how it always starts out. The trend is the market trend, and it's a strategy you can work with. It's hard to gauge the market, but I've found that one of the best gauges is what direction Bitcoin is moving, because it has the most market share. However, a lot of different calculations are packed into this trend idea, and you'll see it moving in different directions a lot over the course of the day. Use this with a grain of salt and caution. it'll show the trend up here at the top, what direction it's moving. It affects both buys and sell quantities, with the idea of if the quantity is falling, it buys less quantity to preserve more money for buying at a lower price when it gets there. If the trend is rising, it sells less quantity to preserve currency to sell at a higher price when it gets there. 20% is a conservative amount that it defaults to. The sell price adjustment percent is the amount added to the average buy price or the current price, whichever is higher. And that's what it'll sell for. Notice it doesn't know how much it will set this price until the automatic trading's turned on to set the average price above. So we can do that now. We'll just click Start Trading. Now when we start that, we notice the average price is put in there. We'll get a sell price adjustment. Go in here, and then it'll create some orders over on the Probit console once it does all the calculations. There's the sell order. And there's the buy order. Now notice that when we start trading, the buy and sell orders were placed and logged in the trader window. That's here, this window down here below. These will be monitored till one is executed. If the buy is executed, then another buy will be placed. However, if the sell is executed, then the existing buy order will be cleared and replaced by both a buy and a sell order. This helps the program follow the prices as they swing through the day and averaging the buy orders to be closer to the sell price. If an error comes up in the window, which might happen after prolonged trading, you usually just need to click Stop Trade and Start Trade again to get it resolved, or just quit the program completely and set it up and start again. Any orders that were made will not be bothered by closing the trade or program. It's made to resist a lot of the errors that might come through the internet, but sometimes it just gets mixed up. So you might be wondering why I trade in CNS at all. Actually, CNS, or centric, is a dual currency with CNS and CNR, and it's just where I put my investment storage. If you notice on this screen here, to the right on my laptop, when I exchange CNS to CNR, it's constantly climbing in value.